To add Apple Cash to your payment method, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the Apple Cash card. Then tap on the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots. This will take you to the Apple Cash Details page, where you can view your account information and manage your settings. Next, tap on the Add Money option, which will allow you to transfer funds from a debit card or other payment method to your Apple Cash account. You will be prompted to enter the amount you want to add, and then you will need to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To add a debit card as a funding source, go to the Settings app. Then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Select Add Card. Then choose Debit or Credit Card, and follow the prompts to enter your card information. Once your card is added, you can use it to fund your Apple Cash account. It is essential to note that you must be at least 18 years old to use Apple Cash, and you will need to verify your identity to add or receive money. You can use Apple Cash to make purchases in stores, online, or in apps, and you can also use it to send and receive money with friends and family. To keep your Apple Cash account secure, make sure to use a strong passcode and keep your device and account information up to date. You should also be cautious when sending or receiving money, and only use Apple Cash with people you trust. In summary, adding Apple Cash to your payment method is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can start using Apple Cash to make purchases and transfer funds with ease.